pandas groupby, then sort within groups. I want to group my data frame by 2 columns and then sort the aggregated results within those groups. I would now like to sort the count column in descending order within each of the groups, and then take only the top 3 rows. To get something like
what you want to do is actually again a groupby, on the result of the first groupby, sort and take the first 3 elements per group. Starting from the result of the first groupby, we group by the first level of the index. Then we want to sort, order, each group and take the first 3 elements. However, for this, there is a shortcut function to do this, largest. So in one go, this looks like.
You could also just do it in one go, by doing the sort first and using head to take the first 3 of each group.
Here's other example of taking top 3 on sorted order, and sorting within the groups.
Try this instead, which is a simple way to do groupby and sorting in descending order.